Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC60. First, identify the charging port, usually found on the front left fender of your vehicle. Next, ensure your charging cable is compatible with the charging station you plan to use. There are several types of charging available, from standard home outlets to rapid public chargers. Understanding these options will help you choose the best method for your needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient charging experience every time you plug in your car. For home charging, you have two main options. Level 1 charging utilizes a standard 120-volt household outlet, offering convenience but slower speeds, typically taking 8 to 12 hours for a full charge. Level 2 charging, however, requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit, significantly reducing charging time to approximately 5 hours for a complete battery replenishment. This faster option is ideal for daily use, ensuring your Volvo XC60 is ready when you are. When you are on the go, public charging stations provide convenient options. DC fast charging is the quickest method, capable of adding 80% of your battery's range in under 40 minutes. Always verify the station's connector type and power output match your Volvo XC60 requirements before connecting. Many public stations offer level 2 charging as well, which is slower but widely available. Plan your route using your car's navigation or a charging app to find suitable stations. To maximize your Volvo XC60 battery life and charging efficiency, follow a few best practices. Charge regularly, but for daily driving, aim for an 80% charge rather than consistently reaching 100%. This helps preserve battery health over time. Use the Volvo Cars app to monitor your charging status and schedule charging during off-peak hours. Additionally, preconditioning your battery in extreme temperatures can improve charging speed and overall efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.